Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you a couple of dies that were sent to me from a new designer. She lives in France and you can find her on Instagram and on Facebook, and she also has a YouTube channel, but I don't think that she produces any content. Like, she just has it so that she can, you know, comment on other people's channels and things. So I will link all of her information down in the description box below. But I first want to share with you the two dies. So it's this heart die and this heart die. And then I'm going to share with you the projects that I created with them. So first I want to show you this card that I made. I've been seeing a lot of easel cards lately, so I made an easel card. I just found a tutorial. I searched easel card, and I think it was Lindsay the Frugal Crafter. I watched her video, so I'll link her video in the description box below. And I followed her really easy 4-minute tutorial, and I came up with this. Really cute. And I just popped it up on a little bit of foam so it has some dimension. And then it folds down almost flat. I put everything up on dimension, so you probably want to put this in a padded envelope, which is what I'm going to do to mail it off. So I used this die for that card. And the next thing is I made a tag flip book, kind of like a unicorn heart, like love theme. Very colorful. I had a lot of fun making this, and these hearts just fit right in with it. And they have like a lot of components that you can use, a lot of pieces that you can use, not just like the die, the main pieces, but a lot of pieces that fall out, like the little pieces that fall out right here, those hearts. And then this falls out of the center, so I use those. So you'll see, I'll point out everything that I used. I'll try to point it out. So it's double-sided, so I'll come back around the other way too. So I just added trim to this. It was like a little cut-apart card from the paper pad. I think I got it at Michael's. It was like a couple of summers ago, maybe last year. I don't remember. This is that paper I got from Chaos Craft. This is new ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is some holographic paper I think I picked up from Michael's. These stars are from another die I'll show later on. So this heart is the center of this heart. Obviously in a different color. So I use this as a picture holder to hold one of my kids' school pictures, and I am sending this as a gift to somebody, so if they want to take it out, they can just take out the picture. And this is just a little pocket holder right there for my kids' school picture. This is another little cut apart from a paper collection. Now this is so cute like this. This is like a little frame around my daughter, but it's going through the binder, but I layered it like 3 or 4 times so it would have thickness, and it's not like if I pull on it just a little bit like this, like it's not going anywhere because I layered it so many times. I layered it 4 times. So then it's just pink on the back side, and it's cute. And I can pull on it a little bit and it's not going to go anywhere. And then it's like a little frame when you go through and flip the page like that. So I thought that was really cute way to use that. It's just one of the ways I use that one. And then her pocket, it says, I eat glitter for breakfast. And if you knew my daughter, she would eat glitter. And then she is so sweet. My husband and I call her a Sour Patch. And then getting to the end here, there's this one right here, using that holographic paper from Michael's. And this trim down here, this is eyelash trim from Hobby Lobby, and then new ribbon from Dollar Tree. And then I'll flip it around. Now these hearts right here came out of these. These came out of here. So that's where I got those hearts from, and I thought this paper was so cute it really didn't need anything else to it. And then this paper again is from KS Craft, and I just thought that was enough. And here's the other side of that heart. It's pretty cute, just like that. Depending on which way the book opens, kind of makes a heart around the unicorn. I think these trims I got on clearance or something, or I think my mom might have picked them up for me. And here's another way I use this heart right here. I cut out two different, I cut this out 2 different times. Once in orange paper, once in pink paper. And then I just fuzzy cut around the heart right here. And then I took some thread and I stitched it through the stitch lines because it has stitch lines right there. And then I made a pocket, and then I cut out this unicorn. And he fits perfectly in the pocket. So I just wanted to show another way that you could use the die. I love pockets, so I thought that was really clever. And then I put this eyelash trim around here, and then I love this down here at the bottom. I just am in love with the holographic stuff right now. And then here's the center out of here again. I guess I can't stand frame today. Here's the center out of here again. And then where I said those stars were, I got those out of here from this die. And I like how it kind of gives her that around her head for her picture. And then I had shown this tag on another AliExpress haul, so I just thought it kind of went with a theme, so I didn't really have to do any work. I just popped it on here and made a back for it. And then right here's just a plain tag. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. And then I just have a couple more pieces to add to this. I want to incorporate these 2 bows somehow. What do you guys think? Yes or no? I just want to add one. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. And by the way, if you're liking this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And then I want to add this tag in, and see how I put that inside of the heart, and I cut it out in striped holographic paper. I think that is so cute. And then I have these leftover hearts still to use. And then I want to take the inside of this heart, and I have another unicorn head that I took. Oh my gosh, you guys. I lost his little ear, so I still have to cut the ear out. And I don't have patience for this. I realized I don't have patience for this. I will probably never, ever use this die again because I don't have patience for this. Popping the unicorn's head on here, on the heart, because I really liked how that looked. And then I'll probably put that on the back side here. And then I wanted to probably add in this one more time. Probably on, I'm not sure how I'll do it, but I need to add in at least one of these one more time. And then I think I'll be done. But once it's done, I'll be posting pictures of the complete project on Instagram, because I also want to add in like some dangle charms and stuff like off of here. I'm thinking about adding in like some pearl trim too, or some sequin trim. And the recipient for this isn't like, they're not a crafty person, so I don't want to overwhelm them with too many things on here. So I just want it, I don't want it to be like getting caught or anything. So tell me what you guys think. Do you think it needs too much more, or tell me what you think of it down in the comments below. So I'll be putting my completed project on Instagram once I'm done. So definitely follow me there. I'll be putting my Instagram in the description box below. So look out for that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.